In this video, you'll learn how to connect Zapier to your Stan store. This process will help you automate tasks and streamline your workflow effectively. Begin by navigating to your Stan store dashboard. Ensure that you are logged in with your credentials. If you are not logged in, enter your email and password to access your account. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the option labeled More on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on More to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, locate and select Settings. This will redirect you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Stan store. After accessing the settings page, find the section labeled Integrations, Integrations to view a list of available integrations for your store. Scroll through the list until you find Zapier. Once you see it, click on the Connect button next to Zapier. This action will initiate the connection process between Zapier and your Stan store. After clicking Connect, you may be prompted to authorize the integration. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete this process. Keep in mind that if you have a slow internet connection, this may take a moment to process. Once the connection is successfully established, you should see a confirmation message indicating that Zapier is now connected to your Stan store. This integration will allow you to automate various tasks and improve your overall efficiency. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.